The Lenovo Yoga Book 9i is building on a long tradition of dual-screen notebook and portable device concepts, along with some shipping hardware, but it's the first that proves the paradigm can work, and work well, for a lot of people. The Lenovo Yoga Book 9i is defined by one feature in particular. Instead of having a hardware keyboard and trackpad for its lower half, it has a second 13.3-inch OLED screen to match the one on top. These are connected by a remarkable hinge that allows for use in a number of orientations, and which also packs in a speaker array powered by Bowers and Wilkins. In the box, you also get a separate Bluetooth keyboard, a stylus, Lenovo's Digital Pen 3, a Bluetooth mouse and an origami-style folding stand that also doubles as a case for the keyboard and stylus. The sticker price of $2,099 definitely can seem steep at first glance, but Lenovo has at least done right by customers by including everything they need in the box instead of making accessories like keyboard, stylus and mouse available piecemeal as add-on purchases after the fact. The Yoga Book 9i is powered by Windows 11 under the hood, with a layer of surprisingly low-key and unobtrusive Lenovo software included to ensure that all the dual-screen magic just works. None of these hiccups prove annoying or distracting enough to compromise the overall experience of using the Yoga Book 9i, however, which is excellent on balance. The Yoga Book 9i only comes in one color, at least at launch, which is a teal that wouldn't normally be my personal pick, but that works very well for distinguishing the novel questionable accessory colorway choices. Lenovo gets everything else pretty much exactly right. Machine at a glance even when it's closed. Luckily, aside from some upper and lower halves of the Yoga Book 9i close with a satisfying sticky click, and the hinge maintains them at whatever angle you choose to use them at. This is especially important because the Yoga Book 9i can be used in quite a few different ways, including a standard laptop orientation with or without the hardware keyboard magnetically attached to the bottom display, with the screen flipped all the way around in a single-screen tablet mode, with the displays stacked on top of one another and propped up on the stand in a horizontal dual-screen mode, with the displays side by each in a vertical dual-screen orientation, or with both screens active and facing two different users on either side in tent mode. The hinge that allows all of that flexibility is a wonder itself. It's entirely covered in a grille and has speakers throughout, which provide sound in whatever direction it's needed. The hardware and the tuning by Bowers and Wilkins results in actually surprisingly great sound from notebook speakers. It's more than capable of providing a great movie or video watching experience, and it even works adequately well for playing back music if you're stuck without headphones or an external speaker. The built-in camera has a 5MP sensor and IR so that it works for Windows Hello facial recognition login, and there's a hardware disable switch on the side of the laptop's lower display for those who value extra privacy assurance. In use, the camera was more than adequate for video conferencing, and seemed to deal well with a range of different lighting conditions, both indoors and out. The Yoga Book 9i is powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i7, comes with 16GB of DDR5X RAM, has integrated Intel Iris X graphics and a 1TB SSD. There are 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, one on the left and 2 on the right, and there's Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6E in terms of connectivity. The 2 OLED screens have 2.8K resolution, are HDR capable with 400 nits max brightness and 60 Hz refresh rates.